From the previous part of the question, we know that P is minus 6 and Q is negative 66. Let's try to re-express this as a product of two quadratic factors. Let's try to form the first quadratic factor. We know two of the factors, two linear factors. One will be W minus away 1 minus I. This is given to us by the question as a root of this polynomial over here. We do know another root because all the coefficients that we see in these polynomials, they are real number, which means that the other possible root is going to be the conjugate of this, which is 1 plus I. So using the result that we have in our topic outline, this is going to be W squared minus 2 times of something W plus something square plus something square. Using that result, here it is going to be this number, and here it will be this number. Here it is going to be this number over here, which is 1 also. So what we have is a W squared minus 2W plus 2. This is going to form for us the first quadratic factor. And to find the next quadratic factor, let's make use of long division. So let's try to carry out a long division. We will take W to the power of 4 minus 6W to the power of 3 plus 39, W squared minus 66W plus 58. This we will long divide it by the first quadratic factor that we have found. So this minus 2W plus W. So what I'll do is I'm going to try to eliminate W to the power of 4 by multiplying this by W squared. So this times this, it is going to be W to the power of 4 minus 2W to the power of 3 plus 2W squared. This will disappear, and this minus this is going to be minus 4. W to the power of 3, this minus this is going to be plus 37, W to the power of 2. This I'll bring down, it will be minus 66W. Here, let's try to minus it by 4W. So minus 4W multiplied by this will give me a minus 4W cube. Then this multiplied by this, it is going to give me a plus 8W square, and this multiplied by this will give me a minus 8W. So continuing with the long division, this minus this will give me a 0. This minus this gives me a 29W square. This minus this gives me a minus 58W. And I'll bring this down, so plus 58. Here, let's try to multiply it by plus 29. So plus 29 multiplied by this will give me a 29W square minus 58W plus 58. Which is what we have expected, because if I'm dividing this by its factor, the remainder should be 0, which is what we have gotten here, which means that I know this is going to be another factor. So now we can re-express this. That means this W to the power of 4 plus PW cubed plus 39W squared plus QW plus 58 into the product of two quadratic factors, which is W squared minus 2W plus 2, and this, which is W squared minus 4W plus 29.